Twitter is abuzz today with a hashtag. Hashtag Marathi Rabdi Devi is trending on Twitter since morning. We all know that Rabdi Devi was former Bihar Chief Minister herself and wife of RJD Chief Lalu Prasad Yadav. But who exactly is being referred to as Marathi Rabdi Devi and why? Let us first understand why hashtag Marathi Rabdi Devi is trending. It was a BJP leader from Pune named Jitendra Gajaria who first tweeted about it. On January 4th, Gajaria had tweeted a picture of Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray's wife, Rashmi Thackeray, with a caption, Marathi Rabdi Devi. Essentially, he compared Rashmi Thackeray to Rabdi Devi. Gajaria is said to be a part of BJP's social media cell. However, a massive controversy erupted in the state when the Mumbai police decided to act against the tweet. The Mumbai Police's Crime Branch CID Cyber Cell on Thursday summoned BJP activist Jiten Gajaria for allegedly comparing Rashmi Thackeray to former Bihar Chief Minister and wife of Lalu Prasad Yadav, Rabdi Devi. BJP Mumbai spokesperson Vivekananda Gupta confirmed that Gajaria was called by the police at the Bandra Kurla complex to record his statement. According to different reports, officers from the Mumbai Police's cyber cell reached the office of Jiten Gajaria, a member of Maharashtra BJP's social media wing, on Thursday afternoon and took him to cyber cell's office in Bandra Kurla complex to record his statement. However, the Mumbai police confirmed that he was not detained, he was taken for questioning. The police also said they acted after a complaint was received from a group of ladies. After the police action, several users on Twitter descended in defense of Gajaria and started posting pictures of Rashmi Thackeray with similar captions. Gajaria's tweet came in the backdrop of opposition BJP targeting the Mahavikas Aghadi government in state over absence of Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray due to his surgery of the spine. The opposition has said that Thackeray should appoint his wife or son Aditya Thackeray as Maharashtra Chief Minister if he has no faith in any of his Shiv Sena colleagues or allies National Congress Party and Congress leaders. Earlier, Maharashtra BJP President MLA Chandrakant Patil had said that Chief Minister Thackeray should hand over his charge to someone else if he is unable to continue due to his health condition. If the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is unable to attend the winter session of the Maharashtra legislature, then he should designate someone to carry out the business. It is inappropriate that the Chief Minister remains absent from the legislature proceedings. We will not accept the complete absence of the Chief Minister from the session, Patil had said then. Recently, Abdul Sattar, a Shiv Sena Minister of State in the Maharashtra government, told reporters that if Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, who is recovering from a major cervical spine surgery, decided to appoint Rashmi Thackeray in his place as the Women's Chief Minister of Maharashtra, then all Shiv Sena members would welcome the decision. He also praised Rashmi Thackeray for having a major role in the party and for running its mouthpiece Samna. Rashmi Thackeray was appointed as the newspaper's editor-in-chief after Uddhav Thackeray assumed the Chief Minister's role in November 2019. On the other hand, Rabdi Devi had become Chief Minister of Bihar in July 1997 after her husband Lalu Prasad Yadav had to resign over graft charges related to the forest scam. She was the first woman Chief Minister of that state. Reacting to the controversy, Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar said that the BJP is passing derogatory comments on the daughter-in-law of Shiv Sena founder Balasaheb Thackeray, who helped BJP become a big name in politics.
एफआईआर तो दर्ज हुआ है, ऐसे माथे फिरू इनके ऊपर कड़क कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि कौन से भी व्यक्ति का जो सोशल मीडिया में नहीं है, प्रिंट मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का कौन से भी इसमें नहीं होने के कारण उनका फोटो छपना, उनको कुछ तो अलग बात करके लिखना, मुझे लगता है ये गलत है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की आईटी सेल और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पदाधिकारी बहुत ही गलत काम कर रहे हैं। ये मुंबई महाराष्ट्र उनको माफ नहीं करेंगे और ये जो गजरिया है माथे फिरू, उसके ऊपर कायदे से कार्रवाई कड़क होनी चाहिए।